friends, I'm excited to announce that I made it to top 30 of the NYX Professional Makeup Face Awards for 2019. And what that means is now I'm in the running to become the best beauty vlogger of the year. So here I am, and I, in the midst of moving apartments, am sitting in my ground with really dirty feet. I am here to show everybody the amazing box that contains all the secrets of what all the past top 30 people have received. So without further ado, scissors. Okay, it's open. So we start off with this beautiful black paper. We have these cards. Congratulations, your outstanding creativity and artistry earned you a spot in the 8th Annual Face Awards Top 30. We can't wait to see what you create in the first challenge. It's been a long day, guys. So colorful. More black paper. Ah! Okay, there's this little side box. This is Fiji. This is one of the sponsors. Pretty packaging. In here, I got fortifying, hydrating, tingly skin booster. There is this, I can never pronounce anything French. Anyway, thermal spray for your wonderful face to make you infinitely fresher and more beautiful. One-step cleansing micellar solution. I'm just gonna show you guys the products. And confetti, I love paper. All right, black paper. Now to the really fun part. Makeup. Oh shoot, more scissors. Oh wow, oh my god. Okay, where should I put this? I'm just putting them, but look at all this stuff! NYX Professional Makeup, can't stop, won't stop. Fini Matte foundations. Oh my gosh, there's so many! And then the next one is the Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil. Strip over here. More black paper! Oh. First up, I got Sweet Cheeks. I'm shaking with excitement. Born to Glow highlighters for your parts. Oh my gosh, I love your concealer. Pore filler, mascara, yes, and even Asian eyes because Asian. Oh, it's green in here. Well, that's a fancy box. Bear with me, can't even see that. Perfecting primer. Hydrating jelly primer. Or color correcting concealer. Long-lasting setting spray. Oh, look at this bronzer. It's hefty. Oh my goodness. I'm sweating in here. Moving on to bag number 3. This is the tools bag. Oh shoot, was there like... Oh, they had like labels to tell you face. Brushes. Oh my gosh. And beauty blender. Why am I excited about a sponge? Tell me. Be gone! Makeup remover wipes. It's specialty. Special effects. Cream color. Creme color. It's face and body paint. This is what I'm talking about! Oh, I'm so excited about this stuff. I got green, I got yellow, I got silver. This is a pigment primer, which is good because you want to put some pigment primer on to get that pigment on. Pigment cream, so there are different types. It's all very metallic. Beautiful children. And finally, we got glitter! Cream glitter palette. Lash wrap for the eyes. Wicked lashes. More wicked lashes. And jumbo eye pencils. Look at this gorgeous colors. Eyebrow gels. Eyeshadow bases. Just loads of eyebrow pencils. I'm holding like epic liner. Vivid Bright Colored Liquid liner. Oh, this is exciting. I can't wait to use these. So you got eye pencils, different colors. Oh my god, the white one. Look how pretty. I should just stab it out. The grand palette. We have glitter goals, liquid lipstick, and so many awesome colors. Powder puff lippies, lip creams, cannabis sativa seed oil for lip conditioner, and Filler Instinct plumping lip polish. So finally, we have the soft matte lip cream in all the colors of the rainbow, because why not? I should be arranging this right now to show it in a much better light, but honestly this is kind of like my state of mind, because this is my first time in the competition and I'm so blessed to be able to make it this far. So this is how overwhelmed I am, but I will be organizing this for the first challenge, and if you guys want to support me, I will be putting the links to my Instagram and Facebook down here. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and click that bell so that you can get updates on everything that will be happening for the Face Awards, including all my submissions, and please vote for your lovely little Cindy Chen designs. Thank you again to NYX Professional Makeup and the sponsors Target and Vichy. I am so happy to be part of this experience, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Bye, friends.